Previously on making my baby shower dress.
Y'all, I'm gonna have to redo it. I'm gonna have to because it's way too tight. It's way too tight. I have it where it's supposed to be like the sleeve part where I sew it on, but obviously it is way too tight.
Hey, so yeah, I forgot to say this in the beginning. So anyways, if you are new here, go and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you are returning, hello, welcome back. I am Jasmine Denise. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to just jump back in the video. Okay, so sorry, my stomach's in the way. But I am using a different fabric. I didn't think I was going to... Okay, so I didn't think I was going to record any of this because I just wanted this part done so I can just get this part out the way. But okay, so you're like probably really confused on why you see blue fabric. So I decided before I cut any more of the lavender fabric, because I didn't want to waste any more, I wanted to create the top again with the measurements I had listed with this blue fabric. And if the blue fabric comes out how I want it to come out, then I would continue with the lavender fabric and go from there. There you go. Now back to the video. So I am here with this different fabric to make the top to see if my measurements are correct, because obviously the last measurements were not. So I made the sleeves. Tired. They're off shoulder. It sews right here to the outfits. So I'm going to go ahead and sew this part right here and then attach it to the top and then sew it on right there, as well as sew these down as well. So we're gonna go ahead and attempt this and hope for the best. Okay, so I do have the sleeve on. So like it's supposed to be off shoulder, so it will come like right here where it's supposed to come. And then these are the openings that attach to the top. So I guess lengthwise is actually fine. I'm just trying to figure this out, making sure my measurements fit. It actually fits pretty fine, I think, because also this kind of material is a little uncomfortable right here, but I feel like it would be fine. It hugs my arm. Like, it's not tight though. That's one thing I won't say. It's not like it feels like it's cutting my circulation off. It just feels like I have a sleeve on, which is good. I put it in and my arm went in like smoothly. So here's the sleeve, and I'm going to sew it onto the top and hope that these measurements are right. You guys, I literally just attached the sleeve. It's not the best, but I'm actually really proud of myself. Don't mind that. I messed up a little bit there. But like I said, oh, excuse me, sorry. This is the practice, but it actually came out pretty decent. This is the one sleeve right now. Like I said, don't look at that. But yeah, it's coming out so far so good. So I'm gonna put the other sleeve on and then we're gonna try it on, and hopefully these are my measurements. Okay, so we are back. I actually, yes, changed the clothes because I took a shower. Say hello to the people. We are back. Tell them we are back, Gotti. Okay, so I actually completed my my bodice. Unpaw me. So I actually finished my bodice. I did the front and the back. We made it pretty similar. The sleeves were fine. I might just make them a tad bit longer. Now the hard part is do I want it to actually be double fabric on both sides, or like it's gonna be basically 4 pieces, 2 front pieces, 2 back pieces, and sewn together. What's up, buddy? And sewing that together, or do it one. Now with the skirt is just 2 pieces, just 1 and 1 sewn together, and I don't see through it, but you know,
when you're doing a tie area. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So I'm reusing the same arm cutout that I made, little sleeve cutout that I made, because I felt like it actually works totally fine. I just got to make sure it fits the front and back just right. But anyways, yeah, so I'm actually gonna start the cutout. I gotta make sure that this piece right here, this should be 4.5, which I should measure. We're gonna go ahead and do this cutout. I'm giving myself an hour because I gotta work at 9:45 in the morning. It's already 10:50, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the cutout. And yeah. What's on your head? Okay, so I actually ended up cutting my bodice in half. I don't know why I didn't just do half of it anyway. It was kind of pointless to keep it as one. But yeah, I cut it in half, and then of course I pinned it to the fabric where I want it. I end up doing my bodice double-sided, so it will be easier and not not easier, but it will look better so it don't look see-through, because the fabric is not really like I guess opaque. Like it is. Well, shit, I don't know. Let me start before I use the wrong terms. But like you can't really see through it, but when it's kind of overstretched, you can. So I ended up doing double the fabric, so it was 4 pieces total. And then you're gonna see me do the back piece. And originally the back piece, I wasn't gonna keep it as a V, but I ended up just doing it as a V anyway. So the front and the back it comes to like a V shape. And then I end up going ahead and pinning it together so I can go on the sewing machine very soon. You know, hey, I'm glad I went with this decision, honestly. But there was more of this recording, but for some reason, my phone just started shifting on its own. So I had to cut out so much of this scene. But yeah, you get the point. Okay, I'm tired. It's way past 12 like I said I was supposed to do. So this is how it looks so far. I literally tried to get the top part stitched, and I think it's because I'm getting tired. I am tired. I couldn't get it straight, so I'm taking a break. This is what it looks like so far. I think it actually will fit a lot better this time. So yeah, I am done for the night. I am going to sleep. Okay, here I am. I'm back looking a mess, like always. So I'm gonna attempt to, I actually tried it on without getting stabbed. I'm gonna attempt to, get a straight line to fold this over, because I tried to do it last night and I started getting frustrated and it didn't go that well. I called it a night because it was way past 12 anyway. Like I said, that was my cutoff time. So now we are here trying to get this. I don't know if y'all can really tell in this scene, but like I was so freaking over looking at this dress. I was getting so frustrated because I think I was already tired on top of being frustrated. That is not a good combo at all, but I made sure I got through it. And then like I kept messing up on the top. I wasted so much thread. Like I had to buy more thread because I wasted so much because I had to keep starting it over. Like you can see my face right here, like how zoned out I am. I literally was just like about to say F it and just buy a dress off Amazon, but I already committed to it, so I just kept going. Okay, it's the next day. Don't mind my hair, y'all. When I say it's just, it is what it is. I be trying to wear my natural hair and I hate wearing my natural hair. But I finished the top, not completely. I'm actually about to do the sleeves. As you see, it's the next day. What is on my face? It is the next day. And
yeah, last night I got so frustrated that I stopped recording because I could not get it to lay right, but for the most part I ended up getting it, so I'm gonna show you. So we have this completed. I just gotta cut off the excess fabric. I'm about to work on the sleeves. It fits marvelous. I'm glad I doubled the fabric because of, you know, the girls can't be showing through. We're gonna go ahead, start the sleeves, attach it, and if I have time before I go into work, because it is now 10 something, I think it just turned 10, it's like 10:10 or something like that. Once I get the sleeves done, I'm gonna attach them, and if I have time, I might just put the whole dress together, honestly. But yeah. But yeah, y'all should see how frustrated I got. I'm glad I didn't give up, because I always came this close to give up, to be like, F it, I'm gonna just finish it tomorrow. But since I finished that puts me back on schedule, and now I can do the sleeves. So that's a lot, because this is literally how much excess fabric I have left. This is probably roughly maybe two some yards, maybe. So I did good, and I'll probably turn this into like them little one dresses. I'll probably just make me a lavender one. I'm gonna put a picture of what I'm talking about. Them. But yeah, I'm about to make the sleeves and then go from there. So see ya in just a second. Okay, so I also had to adjust my sleeve. I think you already seen that in a previous recording, but yeah, I went ahead and adjusted it, and I added 3 inches to where my wrist would be at, because with the blue top, the sleeve was a little tad bit short. Like when I moved my arms, the sleeve was riding up, which is like a pet peeve of mine when I wear any type of shirt that's long sleeve or just anything. But other than that, the sleeves were pretty much good. So all I did was pin them so I could go on the sewing machine. And I did not double these because I did not want to be uncomfortable, because I'm glad I didn't, because it fit totally fine after I sewed them together and attached to the top. So I'm just here just making sure they pretty much match, like width-wise, before I go on the machine, because I didn't want it to, you know, be lopsided or crooked in any shape or form. But yeah. Okay, but we got the sleeve on, and so far it looks good. It's not too tight. It fits pretty smooth on my arm, and I like the length of it now. It's not too short. I added 3 inches, like I said at the end of it, if I even said that. But yeah, so far so good. It fits just fine. On to make another sleeve so we can put these on. But just wanted to try them on, and it fits just fine, which is great. Okay, so I'm back. I got off work around 8. Like 8:20. I got home around like 8:40. No, I didn't. Yeah, around 8:40. I'm gonna attempt to finish this top, because I told you I gave myself a goal to finish the dress before February 28th. I'm so tired. My ankles are like super duper swollen. And at this point, I was gonna do like a 38 week update, but I'm gonna just do a weekly update till I give birth. Or just do changes, because my ankles are swollen. And I'm very tired, if you can't tell with my eyes right here. Pretty tired. I have 1 sleeve left. I do sew the sleeve on, do some more adjusting, because the other side I might take it in a little bit more, because of it just needs to be taken in a little more. Okay guys, so I think I was so irritated, so zoned out, to the point that I forgot to record myself even doing the other sleeve, attaching the top to the bottom, because it is now stitched together. But here's the final look of the dress. There's definitely some imperfections. Oh, there's a lot of wrinkles in here because I haven't cut the excess fabric yet. So once I cut that, that will smooth that out a lot better, and I can pull this down to make it a lot more smoother. Ooh, I look huge. Well, it's not completely done because I have to make a belt, and I think I'm adding like little drape things. I don't know, like the little V thing. I don't know, to the wrist. I don't know, it depends how I feel. But yeah, I didn't record the rest of it just because I was getting so irritated. I think because I wasted so much thread, I messed up on the sleeves. I mean, not the sleeves, but this part so many times and stuff like that. I look freaking huge. But yeah, here's the dress. I gotta make the belt. I'm gonna probably make the belt tomorrow because I'm calling it a night. It shouldn't have taken me this long to finish this because I actually have to take in the sleeves earlier and do this part, and I just finished this part because I was sitting at the table for like 2 hours, like really contemplating trying to get this together. But yeah, I'm gonna get the belt together so I can attach it. As you can see, the stitching does not line up. Like I said, it was a hard task, but we got it done. But yeah, this is how it came out. I think it looks good enough, you know. But I'm out, and if you have not done so yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.